G'day, mate. Welcome to Bali. Hello. How are you today?
Are you the guy that does for Google?
Yeah, just like for YouTube. I just make YouTube channel.
I watch you in Australia.
Bali travel vlog.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Well, I watch on Google or YouTube.
YouTube,
then it
right.
comes up, and it's a guy who rides through all the streets to say what's happening in Bali.
Yeah. Hello, guys.
Welcome back to my channel.
Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Kuta Bali on Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2 street. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation at the moment in Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2, just make sure keep watching the video until then, because now Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2 is getting back. Okay, just keep stay in touch.
Check it out!
Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, we are fine. Okay, today I will update how the situation at the moment in Kuta Bali on Poppies Lane 2 and also on Poppies Lane 1. And today our journey starts from Poppies Lane 2. Yeah, so far on video we can see together there is a lot of tourists walk around on the footpath, and also they are doing shopping in this area. And actually I already updated this area few weeks ago, but still very quiet few weeks ago. But now we can see together on the video just so many tourists in this area, isn't it? I mean, like on Poppies Lane 2. You see right side in the hotel, a lot of car parking down there. And actually I make this video in the morning, so that's why there is some tourists still in the hotels. But I'm really happy because even just been rain on the street, there is a lot of tourists walk around on the footpath, and also they are doing shopping. Yeah, you see right side? Actually some tourists down there, but I get so sorry because not so clear. Did you see that? Just so many tourists doing shopping and walk around on the footpath, isn't it? Okay, in this video I make video around 12 minutes without skip video, start from Poppies Lane 2 until Poppies Lane 1. At the end, before Pantai Kuta Street. So just make sure watch the video until the end if you want to know how the situation at the moment in Poppies Lane 1, because Poppies Lane 1 is also getting up now. More tourists stay down there. Yeah, actually right side there is so many tourists doing shopping there, but I'm so sorry, it's dark. And left side there is the main gate to go to Beachwalk Mall from the back side. You see that? On the sidewalk? So busy, isn't it? That's just really good. Okay, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video, because there is a lot of people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Kuta Bali on Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2. And don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the new station in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Okay guys, let's watching the video until the end and enjoy the natural atmosphere from this area. Hello. G'day mate!
G'day mate!
Welcome to Bali! Welcome to Bali!
Oh, what, Australia?
Oh yeah, g'day mate! Hello. G'day mate. Welcome to Bali. Welcome to Bali, brother. Hello. Hello. How are you today?
Are you the guy that does for Google?
Yeah, just like for YouTube. I just make YouTube channel.
I watch you in Australia.
Bali travel vlog.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Well, I watch you on Google or YouTube.
YouTube,
thing that
right.
comes up, and it's a guy who rides through all the streets to say what's happening in Bali.
Yeah, sure. Just like so many people missing Bali.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
It's great.
Thank you. I'm really happy to meet them. They are watching my video in Australia, as they said. I'm really happy to seeing that. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Poppies Lane 2. So what do you think? Yeah, it is much busier, isn't it, compared with a few weeks ago. More tourists stay in this area, and also more tourists walk around and come to this area on Poppies Lane 2. Yeah, Poppies Lane 2 is really getting back now. Okay, from Poppies Lane 2, if I straight down, there's the way to go to Legian Street. But now I will turn right because I will update how the situation at the moment in Poppies Lane 1. And now we are on Gang Ranta, the small street in between Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2. And also in this video, I will show you how the situation at the moment in Kuta Town House, because Kuta Town House is the most legend hotel in very small street. So we can see together, are they open or still closed at the moment? Yeah, so far in this video also we can see some tourists walk around on the footpath in this area, isn't it? That's just really good. I gotta say, like, in this area also start getting some tourists stay in this area. Yeah, right side restaurant, some tourists down there. Just imagine, this street is very small. Even cars, it's very hard to drive in this area. Another tourists walk around on the footpath. No footpath, but on the street, because it's just small street in this area. You see right side and also at the front. Yeah, there's the main gate to go to Kuta Town House hotels. Yeah, see that the sign? Kuta Town House. Yeah, they are still closed, but now they are preparing to reopen. And I hope this hotel will be open soon, because the legend hotel in between Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2. So this is the situation at the moment in Gang Ranta. Still very quiet, isn't it? But yeah, some tourists stay in this area now. They're just really good. Okay, if I turn left, there is the way to go to Legian Street. But now I will turn right because I will update how the situation at the moment in Poppies Lane 1. Yeah, now we are on Poppies Lane 1. So let's see together how busy Poppies Lane 1 today. Yeah, did you see that? Some tourists walk around on this area. Also right side in the restaurant. Yeah, some tourists down there. Hello, welcome to Bali, brother. We can see together in this area also is getting busier and busier. There is more tourists stay in this area, and also they come to this area. We can see together right side is big project is coming up. I think new hotel will be coming up soon in this area. Left side in hotel Lawalun. Some tourists down there. quite busy too. That's just really good. Okay, let's continue driving in Poppies Lane 1. Enjoy the natural atmosphere until the end of this video. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2. So what do you think? Yeah, it is getting busier, isn't it? That's just really good. If you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Kuta Bali, on Poppies Lane 1 Street and also Poppies Lane 2 Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.